Hello friends, I am Chittaranjan Mahapatra. Today we are going to revisit the most repeated questions of bank PO and clerk exams. The objective of this video is to anticipate upcoming questions by revisiting previous papers and add value to our precious time. We have altered a couple of questions according to recent scenario. Let's start our journey. Question number 41. Very senior citizens were defined as those who are over dash A 90 years of age, B 85 years of age, C 80 years of age, D 75 years of age. And the answer is 80 years of age. An infant whose age group is in between 0 and 1 year. According to Child Labour Act 1986 of India, a child should not have completed 14 years of age. According to UN Convention on Right of the Children, whose age is less than 18 years of age is known as a child. An adolescent has the age group in between 10 and 19 years of age. According to the Majority Act of 1875, a majority who has completed 18 years. An adult is older than 19 years of age. A senior citizen is 60 years and above. And a very senior citizen is 80 years and above. Question number 42. A tax based on the value of the property and product is called dash A fringe benefit tax, B value added tax, C minimum alternative tax, D turnover tax. And the answer is value added tax. Value added tax was enacted in 2005. The term plastic money refers to dash A ATM, B plastic coated currency notes, C foreign currency notes, D traveler's check. And the answer is ATM. The inventor of ATM was John Shepherd Barron. His birthplace was in Shillong, India. The first ATM was opened by Barclays Bank in London on June 27, 1967, and the first ATM was set up by HSBC in India in Mumbai in 1987. Question number 44. It is mandatory to quote which of the following identification number on all large value financial transactions? A PAN, B voter ID, C PIN, D ration card number. And the answer is PAN. PAN card is issued by Income Tax Department under the supervision of CBDT. CBDT refers to Central Board of Direct Taxes. It was first introduced in 1972. It is a 10-character alphanumeric number. Question number 45. The term FTZ stands for dash in India. A. Free trade zone. B. Food trade zone. C. Foreign trade zone. D. Fiscal trade zone. And the answer is free trade zone. FTZ refers to free trade zone in India and foreign trade zone in the USA. India's first free trade zone was Arcia International Limited in Mumbai. Asia's first export processing zone was established in Kandla in 1965. Later, it was converted into an SEZ or Special Economic Zone. Question number 46. Which of the following is an American multinational retailer corporation that runs chains of large discount department stores and warehouse stores? A. Walmart, B. Alstom, C. IKEA, D. Moore. And the answer is Walmart. Its founder was Sam Walton. It was founded in 1962 in the USA. It acquired 77% stake of Flipkart in 2018. Question number 47. Who amongst the following is a Nobel laureate in economics? A. Kaushik Basu, B. Subir Gokul, C. Dr. Amartya Sen, D. Mantek Singh Ahluwalia. And the answer is Dr. Amartya Sen. He was awarded Nobel Prize in Economic Science in 1998 and also Bharat Ratna in 1999 for his work in welfare economics. His recently published book was The Country of Fast Boys in 2015. Question number 48. A network of power lines that evacuates electricity from a generating station and operates in a narrow frequency band is known as gas. A. Wave, B. Mesh, C. Grid, D. Interlock. And the answer is grid. Question number 49. Which of the following is a large ocean wave that is caused by sudden motion on the ocean floor, which could be in the form of an earthquake, volcanic eruption, or an underwater landslide? Option A, El Nino, B, lunar eclipse, C, high tide, D, tsunami. And the answer is tsunami. Tsunami means harbor wave in Japanese language. Question number 50. The form ITR1 is a form for using dash A. Minimum alternative tax, B. Excise duty, C. Customs duty, D. Income tax return. And the answer is income tax return. Income Tax Act was passed in 1961. British India's first finance minister, James Wilson, imposed income tax in 1860. Schedule 7 of Union List has given power to central government to levy a tax on any income apart from agricultural income. ITR1 form is for income up to rupees 50 lakh. Other forms like ITR1 are ITR2, ITR3, ITR4, ITR5, ITR6 and ITR7. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you. If any queries, contact edusuccessmantra@gmail.com. Again, thanks for watching this video.